Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Acorns, a popular investing app that helps people save money for the future. But before we get into the specifics of Acorns, I want to ask you a question. How much money do you have saved for retirement? If you're like most people, probably not enough. The average American has only saved about $10,000 for retirement, which is far from enough to live comfortably in retirement. This is a big problem because Social Security is not going to be enough to cover our retirement costs. So, what can we do to save more money for retirement? One option is to use an investing app like Acorns. Acorns is a great way to save money for retirement because it makes it easy to invest small amounts of money regularly. What is Acorns? Acorns is a robo-advisor that helps people save and invest money. It works by rounding up your credit card and debit card purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. For example, if you spend $10.50 on coffee, Acorns will round it up to $11 and invest the extra 50 cents. You can also set up automatic transfers to your Acorns account. How does Acorns work? Acorns uses a variety of investment strategies to help you grow your money. It invests in a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets. The specific mix of assets depends on your risk tolerance. How much does Acorns cost? Acorns offers a variety of pricing plans. The most basic plan is free, but it has limited features. The premium plans cost more, but they offer more features, such as access to financial advisors and the ability to invest in individual stocks and bonds. How many customers does Acorns have? Acorns does not publicly disclose its number of customers. However, we can estimate it based on the company's growth rate. Acorns has been growing rapidly in recent years. In 2019, the company had over 4 million customers. Based on this growth rate, we can estimate that Acorns has over 5 million customers today. Is Acorns a good investment? Acorns is a great way to save money for retirement. It makes it easy to invest small amounts of money regularly, and it offers a variety of investment strategies. However, Acorns is not for everyone. If you are looking for a hands-on investing experience, Acorns is not the right choice for you. Acorns is a great way to save money for retirement. It makes it easy to invest small amounts of money regularly, and it offers a variety of investment strategies. If you're looking for an easy way to start saving for retirement, Acorns is a great option. If you're interested in learning more about Acorns, I encourage you to check out their website or download their app. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another video about personal finance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.